In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add horizontal line in Tradingview. First, let's use the toolbar method. Look to the left side of your Tradingview screen and find the main drawing toolbar. Near the top, you'll see the trend line tool. It's the second icon from the top and looks like a slanted line. Hover over that icon and click the small arrow next to it to reveal more options in the same tool family. From that list, choose horizontal line. Now, move your mouse back over your chart and click once at the exact level you want to mark. Tradingview will place a horizontal line right where you clicked, stretching across the chart at that price. Take a moment to place your cursor precisely before clicking. As you move the mouse up and down, watch the price scale on the right side of the screen. It updates to show the price under your cursor, which helps you land on the exact level you care about. If you want to add several levels, say, multiple areas of interest, just repeat the same process. Open the horizontal line from that tool family and click again where you need it. This is a visual, intentional way to place lines and works well if you prefer to confirm the price visually before committing. Now for the fastest method, which is the keyboard shortcut. Click anywhere on the chart area to make sure the chart is active and ready to receive shortcuts. Then press Alt-H on your keyboard. Instantly, Tradingview will drop a horizontal line at the exact price level where your cursor is positioned. This is perfect when you want to move quickly. Hover the cursor over the level you care about. Press Alt-H and you are done. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work, double-check that the chart is selected, and not another panel or input box. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.